morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday. It's December 4th. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us in the Weather Center. It's a chilly start to the day, isn't it, Hannah?
Morning, but that wind did die down from yesterday, so it is feeling a little bit better than it did yesterday. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing right now just a few lake effect snow showers moving through the area, especially up north and the northern part of the Mohawk Valley here this morning. This will be the case for the day today. We are estimating about 1 to 2 inches for just north of the Mohawk Valley and the North Country, and a trace to 1 for the southern part of the Mohawk Valley. This is just for today. So we are going to be seeing some light snow showers throughout the day today, but we will be drying out for tomorrow before some wind and rain return for Monday. For today, we will see a high in the upper 30s, and we will be seeing snow throughout the day today, and I will be tracking that out coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting out this morning mostly cloudy with calm winds as compared to yesterday, and we will start to see some light lake effect snow showers later on today. Let's take a look at our Cavie tower camera. We can see a mostly cloudy and overcast sky, and it is going to start being this way for at least this is the season where we do see mostly overcast days in comparison with some sunshine peeking out. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar this morning, we are seeing just a few light lake effect snow showers up in the North Country, kind of towards the northern part of the Mohawk Valley. And this will kind of be the case today. We are expecting about 1 to 2 inches for the North Country and the northern part of the Mohawk Valley, and a trace to 1 inch for the southern part of the Mohawk Valley today. This snow does look to end in the overnight hours tonight. I am going to zoom out to the radar and satellite to show you that we do have a northwest wind, so this snow is going to be kind of focused in the northern part of our viewing area for the day today, and we will be drying out tonight for tomorrow. Now this morning, our temperatures are ranging in the 20s to 30s. We were in the 20s up in the North Country, the upper 20s to lower 30s in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the southern valleys, but it is feeling a little bit better than it did yesterday because that wind is calm in comparison to those high wind speed and gusts yesterday. So for your weekend forecast, we are going to be seeing some light snow today with mostly cloudy skies. It will remain mostly cloudy for the day tomorrow, but at least we are going to be dry with a few peaks of sunshine in there. So I would say if you do have any outdoor activities planned, tomorrow would be the better day of the weekend. So let's look at all of this on our Skycast. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies today with those light lake effect snow showers kind of concentrated in the northern part of our viewing area. The snow showers will linger throughout the day today before drying out overnight for tomorrow. Now tomorrow we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine, but otherwise a mostly cloudy day with highs in the upper 30s. Moving into Monday, we will see an increase in temperature overnight as a warm front does start to move through. We have a high near 50 on Monday. That is really warm for December. We'll be seeing some scattered showers in the morning before the cold front moves through in the afternoon and evening, bringing widespread rain to the area as well as dropping those temperature, and we are going to be seeing some pretty gusty winds as well. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s. We'll be seeing some light lake effect snow showers later on, and overnight tonight we will be drying out from those snow showers with the low in the upper 20s. Now for your 7-day forecast, we are drying out for the day tomorrow. It will be mostly cloudy before that rain does return for Monday with a high near 50. It is going to be very windy and very high wind gusts. We will dry out once again on Tuesday before some widespread snow makes its way in on Wednesday. Now back to your weekend trivia. What is the best-selling Christmas song of all time? Katrina, I hope you didn't Google anything.
I didn't Google. I was busy doing other things, Hannah. So I'm going to say it's got to be Silent Night just because it's popular, but my second guess is for backup is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Okay, the answer is White Christmas.
Oh.
Yes, it sold over 50 million copies.
Wow.
So yes,
I wonder who the singer was when it sold all those copies.
I think it was Bill Crosby, I think.
Bing Crosby.
Yes.
Bing Crosby.
Yes.
Yes. I love it. Okay. I really thought it would be Rudolph.
Yeah, well, I'm going to do another trivia question. It is going to be something else with Christmas, so hopefully you get that one right.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Looking for something fun to do to get you in the hot.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning with mostly cloudy and overcast skies with a few lake effect snow showers just to the north of our viewing area. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. We can see mostly cloudy and overcast skies. This is kind of going to be the case for the season. It is the season where we do see the most clouds in the area. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing just a few light lake effect snow showers up in the north of our viewing area here this morning. This will extend down into the northern part of the Mohawk Valley for today. We are expecting about 1 to 2 inches for the North Country and the northern part of the Mohawk Valley, as well as a trace to 1 for the southern part of the Mohawk Valley today. These snow showers will remain light throughout the day with little accumulation. I am going to zoom out to the radar and satellite just to show you we do see a northwest wind forming, so this snowfall is going to be more concentrated on the northern part of our viewing area. Now, waking up this morning, our temperatures are ranging in the 20s to 30s. We are seeing temperatures ranging in the 20s up in the North Country, in the upper 20s to lower 30s in the Mohawk Valley, and in the lower 30s in the southern valleys. This is pretty cold out. It is below freezing, but again, it is feeling a lot better than yesterday in comparison because of that wind. The wind is calm today in comparison to those gusty winds yesterday. Now, here's your weekend forecast. I would say Sunday is the better day of the weekend if you do have anything planned outside. Today, we are going to be seeing some light snow showers with mostly cloudy and overcast skies. Tomorrow, it still will be mostly cloudy, maybe a few peaks of sunshine here and there, but at least it will be dry for the day. Now let's look at everything on our SkyCast. We are seeing mostly cloudy and overcast skies this morning. Some light lake effect snow showers in the area today, especially for the northern part of our viewing area. The snow does look to come to an end in the overnight hours for tomorrow. Now, it will remain dry tomorrow, but it will be mostly cloudy with a high in the upper 30s. As we get into Monday, the overnight hours, the temperature does look to rise as a warm front is moving through first. We may see some scattered showers throughout the morning hours on Monday, but then turning to widespread rain for the afternoon and evening hours. The temperature on Monday looks to reach the lower 50s for the high as this warm front moves through. That cold front will bring that rain as well as pretty gusty winds on Monday. But for today, we have light lake effect snow showers with a high in the upper 30s. Now, overnight tonight, we will see lows in the upper 20s, and the snow is going to last overnight, but then look to come to an end for early tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow will remain dry, but mostly cloudy with a high in the upper 30s. As we get into Monday, a warm front moves through first, rising that temperature to the lower 50s for the high, as well as a very windy and gusty conditions with widespread rain turning to snow in the evening hours. We are drying out once again on Tuesday. Now back to our second trivia question. What is the highest grossing Christmas movie of all time? Katrina, do you have a guess?
We had a couple, but I'm going to go with A Christmas Story just because it's been around for a long time, right?
Yes, I would have thought that too, but it's actually Home Alone.
Yeah, that was my initial guess.
I saw that they were on our news earlier this week. They were renting out that house on Airbnb.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah,
I wonder for how much. Oh, you do know how much?
Yeah, so it was for $25 for one night, but it was kind of like a thing where only one person gets it. It's only one, so it's kind of like a prize.
And that's it.
Like a raffle, yes.
Oh, that's fun.
Yes.
It is one of like the favorite Christmas movies of all time.
Yeah, it is pretty famous.
Thank you. And Director Tom, I'm not listening to you anymore. An Arkansas library.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a few lake effect snow showers in northern Oneida County right now, kind of moving towards northern Herkimer County as well. So let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. It is quite windy outside. The wind has picked up this evening. We can see our tower camera is kind of shaking here. We are not really seeing any snow here in Utica, but I am going to show the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar just to show you that this band of snow that was earlier kind of in the Old Forge area and in Lewis County has since shifted a little bit south. It is now affecting the northern part of Rome and the center part of Herkimer County. and it is shifted south because that wind has also shifted south as well. Earlier, we were also seeing a few light rain showers moving through the Mohawk Valley, but now it does look like it is mostly snow. Now, here's the radar and satellite showing this time frame. So as we can see, it did start out more north, and it has since shifted south within the past couple of hours. This snow is all looking to come to an end late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and we will be mostly dry for the day tomorrow. We did get a few Skywatcher reports coming in this evening, looking like we are ranging in the upper 20s to 30s in temperatures. We have 27 in Inlet, 32 in West Leiden. If we go a bit further down south, we see 36 in Cooperstown, 34 in Richfield. So we are ranging in the 20s to 30s here this evening, feeling a little bit colder because of that wind that is happening outside right now. So I did want to give a sidewalk forecast for tonight and tomorrow. Tonight, if you are going out, if you do live in areas that are seeing snow, it is going to be quite snowy, so maybe bring your snow boots. Tomorrow morning, maybe seeing a little bit of black ice here and there because the ground is still going to be wet with some snow, as well as if it freezes overnight because our lows are going to be in the 20s. We will become dry tomorrow afternoon. We are looking to see some rain coming in on Monday. We will not see any rain tomorrow. We will be dry. But in the overnight hours of Sunday into early Monday morning, we are going to be seeing some scattered showers. And afternoon on Monday, this becomes more widespread. So let's look at all this on our Skycast. We are still seeing a few lake effect snow showers in the area. This will come to an end early tomorrow morning. Now, we are going to be dry, but mostly cloudy for the day tomorrow with a high in the mid-30s. Overnight tomorrow, we will see that temperature rise to the 40s as a warm front approaches. Now, as this warm front moves through, we will be seeing some scattered showers in the morning, and then closely following, we will see that cold front. Now, that cold front moves through, bringing widespread rain, and then on the back end of it, we are going to be seeing some snow as that temperature drops. Before this evening, we have temperatures ranging in the 30s right now. We are seeing some snow showers out there. Those are looking to come to an end later on tonight. And tomorrow we have a high in the mid-30s, and it will be mostly cloudy. We are going to be seeing some rain move into the area on Monday. This will be widespread, and we will be seeing very gusty winds with this cold front moving through. The rain will turn into snow in the evening hours before drying out on Tuesday. We will be seeing more widespread snow returned for the day on Wednesday, lingering into Thursday, but ultimately drying out. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up next, we're just over an hour and a half.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing just a few light lake effect snow showers, especially to the north of our viewing area tonight. We will be drying out tonight for a dry day tomorrow. So let's look at those overnight lows tonight. We are expecting lows to get down into the upper 20s for most of our areas, and some areas seeing lows in the lower 30s. So we are looking at lows in the 20s up in the North Country, in the upper 20s to lower 30s here in the Mohawk Valley. And for the southern valleys, we're looking at mostly lows in the upper 20s tonight. So it's not as cold as recently we have been seeing lows in the teens. And if you are getting ready to head out the door tomorrow for anything, our temperatures will be in the lower 30s to start the day. We will rise to the upper 30s for the high, so it is going to feel a little bit warmer than what we're used to outside tomorrow, dropping back down into the lower 30s just after sunset. I did want to point out the sidewalk forecast for tomorrow. Tonight, it is still going to be a little bit snowy as we are still seeing some lake effect snow showers in the north of our viewing area. It might be a little bit icy tomorrow morning as that snow is still there, and it could be wet in some places. So maybe a little bit icy tomorrow morning, so just be careful of that and watch out for black ice. We will be drying out in the afternoon tomorrow. So if you do have anything planned outside, tomorrow would be a good time to do it because that's when those sidewalks will be dry. We will not be seeing any rain today, but overnight tomorrow night, we will be seeing some scattered showers move into the area, especially for Monday morning. And by the afternoon to evening hours on Monday, that is when we are going to see that widespread rain. So let's look at all of this on our Skycast right now. So we're still seeing a few lake effect snow showers up north. This is going to diminish later on tonight, and we will be waking up tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies. Now, our high tomorrow is going to be in the upper 30s, but as we get into tomorrow night into Monday, our overnight low will start start to increase throughout the night as a warm front first moves through. So waking up Monday morning, we are going to be seeing temperatures in the 40s with a few scattered showers. Moving throughout the day on Monday, our high will reach the lower 50s. So that is very warm for the start of December. And we will be seeing widespread rain in the afternoon to evening hours, followed by that rain because that cold front moved through. Our temperatures will drop and we will be seeing some snow on the back end of this system. Before this evening, we have temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. A few snow showers are still lingering, and tomorrow we will see a high in the upper 30s, and it will be mostly cloudy. Now, Monday is when we see this low pressure system move through. It will bring very gusty winds as well as widespread rain and then snow on the back end of the system. We will be drying out for the day on Tuesday, but then some widespread snow returns on Wednesday with a high in the 30s. The snow lingers a little bit on Thursday morning. We'll be mostly dry on Thursday with a high in the lower 30s before some rain and snow showers return for the weekend. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up